Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by loading the plate and the tracking export into Nuke so you can see the markers in context. Set the project frame range and linear color space because consistent color and precision matter for matte extraction. Once done, check the camera solve quality and reprojection error. Low error means less manual cleanup later. Make sure your footage is 32-bit float and matches resolution, and then create a clear staging node tree to keep relinking simple as you work. Next, isolate each marker using a tight roto or a spline for targeted cleanup so you avoid altering nearby detail. You can track the marker with the tracker or planar tracker, bake the transform, and use roto paint or clone to paint out while the track follows motion. This preserves natural movement. For busy areas, generate smart vector data or use patch replacer to synthesize texture from surrounding pixels. Edge-aware blur helps blend seams. Keep the original layer untouched so you can revert if needed. To finish, make sure your cleaned area matches the plate by restoring grain, color, and any motion blur so it reads as part of the same image. Use a grain or add grain node tuned to amplitude and size, then render short test segments and compare against the original to verify continuity. If you see seams, retrack the area, slightly expand or feather the mat, or apply a temporal median to stabilize flicker. These fixes usually solve residual artifacts without redoing the whole pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.